Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Chevy Malibu. Stock number is A7924. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top, you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, USB port and auxiliary input, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.